What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're doing Ghetts, Proud Family. I was just strolling on YouTube and I just found across this one. I didn't even know that Ghetts is drop a song. Big up yourself, Ghetts, J. Big up yourself. So, we're gonna jump right another one here. Hopefully, it is something nice, you know? Cause you know we're in a Christmas period now, and with all this COVID going on and people not be able to see them family, and let's see what this does. Let's go. All right, we ready? We out here. We outside. Now the girl them outside. Let's go. Unfortunately, a lot of people, like me just say, a lot of people is not gonna be able to actually go home to somebody or have them family, them relatives around them, you know? It's madness.
Family ties. Family.
I can see this is gonna be deep. This is gonna be deep, Ghetts. I'm gonna show you the then and the no. Sorry, me not the way. Then and no. So, basically, let's go.
Nigga 5. Dad left 5, went jail. Mom kept the family in line. Just her and the twins, money so low she had to cancel the sky.
What he's singing about is basically in every country. Once it's especially with black people, like we have a tendency of not. A lot of us never grew up with fathers. A lot of us never grew up with a male figure in the house where say, yo, do this and do that and show that, you know? So it's always been the mom, the strong black queen. Big up all moms, big up all the strong black queens them. You see me? Yeah, it's hard. So it must say basically, his mother have it so hard, his mother couldn't even afford to carry on the Sky. The Sky had the cable thing where they're England. The Sky. Take off my glasses. The Sky. So the Sky wasn't a need, it was a want, so we can cancel that moment. Don't worry about those Sky. We're not watching football or nothing anyway. Let's go.
Late night running out of a lecky. You know about candle for light. All I know is survival. I learned that from Karen and life.
When you know about running out of electric, obviously them top up them meter, them top up them meter to get electric. So them used to run out. Lot of council places like that where them top up and get them meter and thing, and people used to run out. So obviously my light him candle. Me being a Jamaican know about that. They not even candle, lamp. We used to light some lamp, you know, and for go through more time like God.
Nanny was right. I come from where the mothers are worried. Sun comes up and the sun's even coming. Can't keep food in my room, cause I know if my mum finds that, then mum's gonna flush it.
Basically, right, again, him can't keep nothing in nine room, no contraband, no drugs, because if your mother find that, your mother go flush it. But mommy, that is money I flush. But your mother don't want you know that, so she not care about the money. Where she a flush. Go one side with the, don't bring that in my house, because me no want the police come arrest you in my house. That is what his mom is basically flushing the thing for. You know,
now I owe the big man peas, and I gotta go country for nothing. I know the road thing well, I've been who I see all these youngers becoming.
Guys, I'm pausing because I'm breaking down. The video, the full length is going to be in the description below, as always. So basically, I must say, yo, what I just said a while ago, right now, him owe the big man money. Him owe the boss money, and him have to go to country for nothing. Well, him have to go to country, so outside London. London has class, anyway, outside London, country for them. So, like Coventry, Crawley, Essex side, Oxford side, Banbury side, anywhere them side there, them classes as country, even down Brighton side, them a country them call it. So if I go to a country if you go sell drugs, if you get the money, so the thing work, county lines.
I got one little cousin who's just like I was. He's about 14 now, and it's mad to ask myself at the time's gone. Gotta lead by example.
Basically, one time him look and see him cousin. I himself him see at that age, but now obviously him growing with them kids and thing. Yo, this is deep.
My icon, let bygones be bygones. I told you I'm blessed, my guy. I've replaced that X with a 9.
I've replaced the X with a 9. Me not get a part, but what I want to ask, you know, still, is this him actual family? Is this him real family? Can someone leave it and confirm if it is real family in the video? Not the then part, the no part.
Call me an icon. Blood's thicker than friends come and go. Most ain't lifelong, and the ones that are become family. And that's my family aside from the usual.
You don't have to be blood to be family, you know. Friends come and goes. We know that. Friend come and goes for them one convenience. And me telling you over and over upon this channel, say FRIEND, END at the end, friend. END must end one day. So you know the thing.
Usual suspects can't take no more funerals. You see the suit, but death ain't a suitable subject. So much to live for outside my musical success.
It must right now. He's pretty bigger picture. He have so much to live for outside and musical success. He have so much to live for. Him kids, them, him family, you know. Him grown up now. Him in a different state of
unconditional love. That get through anything, miracle love. That nothing can't top this pinnacle love.
Yo, that video are deep, you know. That video are deep like submarine. It's deep. I like it because I can resonate with it. I can relate to it somewhat. Most of it I can relate to.
That spiritual love, that's the original love. Our family, proud family from our granny to my children.
Unfortunately, a lot of you guys would not be having the scene for Christmas where relatives, because of the COVID situation, and like when this time come back, I just hope so we can cherish it and really appreciate times like these, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Mom, you raised a real one. My nephew coming soon. Got a cousin I ain't spoken to in years. And I still got love for you.
Man, say my cousin we haven't spoken to in a couple of years. Still have love for you because I'm a family, I'm a blood. But it is very unfortunate. The only time people, not even black people alone, like people in general nowadays meet up is funeral, mainly funeral and wedding. But mainly funeral. That's the only time when everybody meet up and have a nice little after party. Obviously, yes, it's a funeral, but when the funeral time, everybody's sad. After that, them remember the people, the person who passed off by having a reception and having the food, and everybody catch up and say how is things done, what you do for work now. A long time I don't see you. Just a nice catch up. But it is very unfortunate that we can't find time for your loved ones, them, for actually be there for them, and you know, you see me, especially for the elder one them as well.
My nephew coming soon. Got a cousin I ain't spoken to in years. And I still got love for you. Yeah. My son.
Basically, my repeat the chorus again and I tell you. I'm not sure if it's gets singing that part there, but sound good.
My son's one of my daughter's 8. And all that time I ain't caught a case. Long time I ain't been active. I just been milking this rap shit. I don't know.
His son is 1 and his daughter is 8. And since them born, him not catch a case. Since him daughter born, him not catch a case that is 8 years ago. He's been active on the rap game because him see a future in it. And that's so him make him honest bread. And that's so you know say, yo, him go feed him family from brother. Like, you know, me not feel look over my shoulder. Every car pass me not look outside and thing like that, you know? Deep.
I know nothing about corn and flake. If I let something slide, you ain't worth the 25. That's for my son and my daughter's sake. I come from where I father figures.
Basically, I say, yo, if you diss me, I'm gonna make something slide. Just thank my daughter and my son for that. Just thank my daughter and my son for that, because them me live for now.
Shotters, robbers, heartless killers. This can't be the image, but that's only half of the picture. Mom let her boys get away with murder.
This is all mothers, like, even though your mother know you had the wrong more time, even though you, I'm not sure if this is what he's saying here. I'm just saying this bit, which is fact. Even though your mom know you had the wrong sometime, she will try to talk to you and say, listen, stop doing what you're doing. Stop doing what you're doing. Stop. Even when some things happen, she don't want to believe it. But deep down, she know but a mother love is deeper than any other love, dog. Try know that. Mother love. Yeah.
But she went hard on my sister, part of my history. Family affair, they all part of my victory. I am no fatherless infant, but I was brought up with my aunties aunties' assistants.
Ooh, he's going deep now. He's getting deep. He's going deep.
I don't live where I grew up, I still can't keep my distance.
Catch up at that.
My aunties
Catch up at that again for me, please.
family affair, they all part of my victory. I am no fatherless infant, but I was brought up with my auntie's assistance. And even though I don't live where I grew up, I still can't keep my distance.
Even though I don't live where I grew up, but I still can't keep my distance. So, why am I say this now? So him move out of the area which part him grew up, but him still a go back there on the block. You see me? Him still can't keep him distance.
How could I let my kids only ever see father at Christmas? I got kids relying on me, I can't keep the iron on me.
And same can't make him kid only see him one time a year. Deep again. Can't make him kid only see him one time a year because basically him want to do something when father never do. Him want be there for him kids them. Him want do it for them. Deep. Like it.
Baby can sleep on Ghetts, but please stop lying on me. My baby mummy's a keeper, I just do what she requires of me.
Stop. First him say, I
can't keep the iron on me. Baby can sleep on Ghetts, but please stop lying on me.
Baby, you can sleep on me, but stop lying on me. Don't tell the lie. Don't tell the lie. You understand?
My baby mummy's a keeper, I just do what she requires of me. The last time me and Jess spoke, I said don't go dying on me.
Marry her then, brother. Marry her then, dog. Make her your wife, not your baby mom anymore. Last time him and Jess spoke, him said don't go dying on me. Who is
Conditional love that get through anything, miracle love. That nothing can't top this pinnacle love.
The boss is home, everybody happy, yeah. The boss is home, everybody happy, yeah. Just try and stay out of trouble now, young G.
A spiritual love, that's the original love. Our family, proud family from my granny to my children.
Yo, I love the chorus. I love the chorus. The verse them deep, I love the chorus.
Mom, you raised the real one. My nephew coming soon. Got a cousin I ain't spoken to in years. And I still got love for you.
I get to sing the part, yeah? Can somebody tell me if I get, because it's you only got get in the title, you never have nobody else. If I ever sing the part, yeah, brother, you're real talented.
Proud family from my granny to my children. Mom, you raised the real one. My nephew coming soon.
Yo, me just hope, Stormzy that, big up Stormzy. Yo, me just hope say, enough of the young youth them are on the road that do them thing can really take a listen to that song, yeah, and try and meds it in a positive way. You see me? Obviously, it's not one of them trap song there, where other drill song there where I tell you say, yo, do this and do that and do this and do this and chef man. No, this is a different vibe. Big up Ghetts. Great work, brother. Great work. Upliftment work. I like it. Eye-opening work also.
Our family, proud family from my granny to my children. Mom, you raised the real one. My nephew coming soon.
Was that notes? Was that notes in the video just now? Come see Stormzy. Ghetts is that notes?
Got a cousin I ain't spoken to in years. And I still got love for you.
Who that? I Dave that? No, I not Dave that. That's a who? That's a Skepta that? Who is that?
Yeah. Proud family from my granny to my children. Mom, you raised the real one.
Dave. See Dave there. We just see Dave sitting on the sofa. We got
my nephew coming soon. The cousin I ain't spoken to in years. And I still love for you.
Yo, I like that video, dog. It's got a lot of meaning to it. And it shows unity as well because all of the top name them, you see them in a one video. Them young youths, most of the time where on a war with an next set of youth, why are you guys actually warring? Want to know what the beef about? Want to know what a war about? No, postcode is not war about. And I got dead left postcode. When I got dead left postcode is still gonna be there. The postcode is not your one. The postcode is the Queen postcode for all who live in England. All who live in America, neighborhood. You war for neighborhood. Your band comes to the neighborhood. The neighborhood is still gonna be there when you're gone, brother. You see me? People who live in Jamaica, Like, even at Jamaica, it's mad dog. Watch ya. You will live on one side of the road, a main road, running in the middle, and the next side of the road. So there's two communities who are against each other. The only part is the main road. I wonder the Vietnam. One war for politics. Like, that person is, oh, madness, dog. We as black people just need to, not even black people, like human just need to unite, brother. I'm stressed out in a prison. They then know him stressed out. Well put together song. I love it. Well put together. And I'm glad I came across this song. Well put together. Thumbs. Crew, director. Okay. These are the people that's in the video. But what I'm doing, 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Okay, yeah, that's the person that play 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐶. Well, what I'm doing is looking for the person who was singing to make sure to see if it was 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐶 or not. Which I think it was 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐶. I don't know. I think it was 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃𝐂𝐓𝐶. Why them cross out the name them? I don't know. Yo, there's so much message in that song there. There's so much messages in it. I love it. 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃, great piece of work. Great piece of work. Afe, give a thumbs up for that, brother. Fully pass because the message is positive. You show the youth them say, yo, not even youth them, you show people say, yo, you've grown from the person that you was to know. Because from me I say, from your daughter 8 and your son 1 and 8 years now, like 8 years now since you're clean, brother, nothing. Even more than 8 years, you're clean, nothing. No police now have to put no cuff on you and arrest you and bring you down a station, brother. Well done, dog. You see me? Big up yourself, 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃. Big up yourself. Great piece of work. Guys, if you know enjoy the breakdown here, please leave a like on the video. The full song would be in the description below. Also follow me on Instagram below as well. The link is gonna be below. I understand? So guys, I'll see you guys on the next round, man. I'll see you guys soon. Alright? Stay safe.